In a split second, everything changes. Massive animals charge, trucks collide, and drivers have no time to react. These shocking moments will leave you stunned. Watching this 600 pounds beast is a wild reminder. Nature's no joke. Stay 100 yards back, folks. This clip is pure adrenaline. Don't blink or you'll miss it. Heartbreaking. A 4-0 bus hitting a poor fawn. Reminds us to slow down to 25 miles per hour and watch for God's creatures. Truly a tragic moment to witness. Thanks for watching. Life can change in an instant. Stay alert, stay safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. That 700 LB Bull Elk owns the road in Estes Park. Don't let those antlers touch your truck. Nature's raw power is no joke. Stay back and watch. Wild. From deer at 60 miles per hour to 1/8 wheelers jackknifing, this is a real wake-up call. Stay safe out there, folks. Nature and the road aren't playing. Wild. From deer at 60 miles per hour to 1/8 wheelers jackknifing, this is a real wake-up call. Stay safe out there, folks. Nature and the road aren't playing. A true hero on two wheels. Chasing that horse at 30 miles per hour to help a neighbor is what community is all about. God bless this kind soul. Simply amazing.
Balzer!
Witnessing a 900-pound grizzly on the Shiratoko Pass is breathtaking, a true reminder of nature's raw power. Stay in your truck and enjoy the view. Watch out. A 200 buck can wreck your truck in a split second at 60 miles per hour. Stay alert on those back roads, folks. Safety first for us old timers.
Oh my God. Oh.
Do something. You know what I mean? I got
Slow down.
Oh, he got it.
Got it.
That 1,500-pound beast stands its ground against tons of steel. Nature's raw grit is amazing. Don't blink. This moose is a true legend of the wild. Watching this 80,000-pound semi-face 47 antelope is wild. It's a pure test of brakes and grit on the open road. Don't blink or you'll miss the action. That hawk dived like a jet. A tiny 1-pound kitten almost became lunch. Keep your pets indoors, folks. Nature is wild. This is a real heart stopper. That 400 pounds black bear just hopped in like he owns the Ford. Nature's wild, folks. Lock those doors or you'll have a fuzzy co-pilot on the highway. Tragic. Witness the raw power of a 200-ton train versus nature. These 45 moments are a wake-up call for rail safety. Heartbreaking, yet truly eye-opening. Watch out. This 200 pounds buck is claiming the road. Nature's in charge here, so keep your eyes peeled and stay safe behind the wheel, folks. Heartbreaking. Seeing these 1,500 pounds beasts face a 100-ton train is a reminder of nature's fragility. Stay tuned. These moments will haunt you. Heartbreaking. This 120 pup needs a miracle. Watching him fight after that hit is tough, but his spirit is pure gold. Please, let's help him. Thanks for watching. Life can change in an instant. Stay alert, stay safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.